Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Iraq's Economic Outlook. The future of the dinar and financial reforms. Iraq's economic landscape is undergoing significant changes, with ongoing efforts to stabilize the Iraqi dinar and strengthen the nation's financial systems. Many investors and observers are keenly watching the situation, wondering whether Iraq will eventually revalue its currency and how long this process might take. In this article, we explore the latest updates on Iraq's economy, the role of the government and the central bank, and what the future may hold for the dinar. Iraq's currency challenges and the role of the U.S. One of the key factors affecting the Iraqi dinar is the influence of the United States on Iraq's economic policies. Due to past sanctions and financial oversight, Iraq must meet specific conditions before achieving full monetary independence. The U.S. and other international financial bodies closely monitor Iraq's fiscal policies, ensuring that economic reforms align with global standards before allowing the dinar to float freely on currency markets. Over the years, Iraq has faced economic instability caused by political uncertainty, external pressures from neighboring countries, and fluctuating oil prices. The relationship between Iraq and Iran also plays a role in shaping financial policies, as international sanctions on Iran impact Iraq's financial dealings. The big question remains: will Iraq successfully navigate these economic challenges and rebuild its financial systems in a way that allows for sustainable growth? Government actions and central bank efforts. Iraq's government and the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, have been actively working to stabilize the currency and control inflation. Managing the dinar's exchange rate is no easy task, as the country faces internal and external pressures. However, recent reports indicate that the dinar has shown slight improvement against the US dollar, signaling cautious optimism in the financial sector. One of the most significant recent developments was the decision by Iraq's Council of Ministers to increase the capital of Al Rashid Bank from 2 billion dinars to 50 billion dinars. This substantial increase demonstrates the government's commitment to strengthening Iraq's banking sector and ensuring greater financial stability. A well-capitalized banking system can encourage lending, investment, and overall economic growth. Additionally, the government approved the outsourcing of exam booklet printing for 1 year, reflecting a broader strategy to diversify Iraq's financial dealings and reduce costs. Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani is leading these economic initiatives as part of a long-term plan to modernize Iraq's financial infrastructure. Iraq's long-term economic strategy beyond currency stabilization. Iraq is working on broader economic reforms aimed at reducing its dependence on oil. The government is focused on creating a more diverse economy that can generate jobs and support long-term financial stability. This diversification is critical because fluctuations in global oil prices have historically impacted Iraq's financial health. Furthermore, discussions are ongoing in parliament regarding new financial policies and legal measures to protect Iraq's economic interests. One notable decision involved granting the Ministry of Finance authority to finalize an agreement with legal advisors for sovereign guarantees. This step is essential in safeguarding Iraq's financial position in international contracts and ensuring that the nation's economic sovereignty remains intact. The future of the Iraqi dinar. Many investors and analysts speculate about when the Iraqi dinar will experience a major revaluation. While it is impossible to predict an exact timeline, Iraq's recent financial moves indicate that the country is laying the foundation for a more stable currency. However, patience is necessary, as economic recovery and policy changes take time. For those invested in the Iraqi dinar, it is crucial to stay informed and make well-calculated decisions rather than relying on speculation. Short-term fluctuations in exchange rates may occur, but the broader picture suggests that Iraq is moving in the right direction. Final thoughts. Iraq's financial future remains a topic of great interest, with many positive signs indicating progress. The government's commitment to banking reforms, economic diversification, and financial stability suggests that Iraq is positioning itself for long-term success. However, challenges remain, and achieving full economic recovery will require careful planning and execution. For those closely following Iraq's economic developments, Staying updated on new policies and financial trends is essential. While the road ahead may be challenging, Iraq's efforts to strengthen its economy and stabilize the dinar offer hope for a more prosperous future.